Hello everyone, we have come to the last part of the chapter, your chapter number 4. Okay, here we are going to study about equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. So before I come to this directly, let me write here one simple equation. The equation is thrice x plus 1 equal to twice x, let me say plus 5. So the equation that I read here is linear equation in one variable. Okay, I hope you all will agree, because the highest power of the variable here is 1 only, and moreover we have only one type of variable. Therefore the equation that I write here is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, now let us solve once. Thrice x, let me bring this twice x to the left hand side, so minus twice x, then equal to 5. Let me displace this 1 to the other side, so now it becomes minus 1. So what happened? This x equal to what? Now it becomes 4. If you are asked to draw the graph of this equation, then how shall we draw? I will just draw here a simple line, number line. Then I'll write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Just normal. You can continue here 5, 6 and so on. Where is 4 actually? What is here? X is 4. So what happened? This x is what? 4. Now it's over. But when I draw the graph of this equation, I draw the graph in one variable. Okay, because there is only x, but the same equation even we can express in terms of two variables. How shall we do? Let's see now. We get here x equal to 4. So what happened now? I want to add here one more variable. So how shall we do? Okay, I'll just write here x equal to 4 plus 0 means I'm sure you'll be getting here 4, I think, right? So 0 into any number, any value, what do you get? You get 0. So I'll just put here y like this. Now we get here x equal to 4 plus 0 y. If you're asked to draw the graph of this equation, you will not be able to draw in this way. That's going to be wrong. Okay, if I just tell you draw the graph of this equation in just one variable, you can draw like this. It's correct. But if I tell you draw the graph in two variables, then what happened? Even though we have here x equal to 4, we have added here one more variable with plus 0y. Now we get here x equal to 4 plus 0y. Then what shall we do? We have to draw the graph of this equation. Okay, how shall we draw? First we'll make the table. Okay, fine. I'll take here x and I'll take here y. So what happened now? When y is, let me say 0, x will be how much? X will be 4 plus 0 into 0 means I'm sure you'll be getting 0. So you're getting here 4. So when y is 0, x is 4. If we take here 1, y is 1, then what will be the value of x? X will be 4 plus 0 into 1. So let me write like this, 0 into 1. Then how much it will be? 4 plus 0. So we get here still 4 only. So when y is 1, x is what? 4. So when y is 2, x will be how much? 4 plus 2 into 2, 0 into 2. Then how much we'll get? 4 plus 0. Then still I'm getting here 4. So when y is 2, we'll get here x value how much? 4. If I take here minus 2, when y is minus 2, what will be the value of x? The value of x will be what? 4 plus 0 into minus 2. Then we get here 4 plus 0. Then we get here what? 4. Then let me write in this way. So what happened here? Whenever we take any real values of y, we get always the value of x as 4 4 4 4 only. So if we happen to draw the graph of this, how we'll get? Let's see now. I'll draw here the x-axis. It is the rough only, and it is the y-axis. Here 1 2 3 4 5, -1 -2. Okay, 1 2 3 4, -1 -2 -3. Okay, this is x this, y this. So you can write here 1 2 3 4 5, -1 -2. So -1 -2 -3, then here 1 2 3 4. You can level in this way. When x is 4, y is 0. When x is 4, y is 0, that means it indicates this point. Let me change the color. When x is 4, y is 1. When x is 4, y is 1. It might be here. When x is 4, y is 2. So it will be again here. So like that, what happened? When x is 4, y is -2. Then again we have -2 here. So what is this? This is 4 2, and this is what? 4 1, and this is what? 4 -2. Okay, so if we happen to join this point, this point, this point, and this point, what happened? We'll get a straight line. Okay, so what happened? This is the graph of the equation x equal to, what is that? 4 plus 0 y. Okay, so what happened now? If we just give you, if you are given here x equal to 4, and if the question tells you represent this equation x equal to 4 in the Cartesian plane, what happened? What will be the graph? You will get a line which is parallel to the y-axis. So when I give in terms of x, then this line will be parallel to the y-axis. Say example, if I give you here x equal to 3, then what happened? What will be this graph? It will be like this. This is the graph for x equal to 3. As it is given in terms of x, this equation is what? Sorry, this graph is parallel to the y-axis. If I give you here x equal to -2, then what happened? You'll get like this. You'll get a straight line here, and this line will be definitely parallel to the y-axis. Now my question is, if it is given in terms of y like this, if y is what? Y is 3. How will you get? I'll change the color. Let me change into blue. Okay, now y equal to 3. Then what happened? You'll be getting like this. This is what? Y equal to 3. Now when it is given in terms of y, this line is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, if I give you now y equal to -2, then how will you get? You'll get a line passing through this point, okay, and this line will be parallel to what? Parallel to the x-axis. So when it is given in terms of x, the line will be parallel to the y-axis. When it is given in terms of y, it will be parallel to the x-axis. So let me show you here clearly once. If x is 3, if you are asked to draw the graph on the Cartesian plane, what happened? How will you get? First I'll write here 1 2 3 4, -1 -2. Accordingly you'll take -4 -5, like that. And then x3, we have here 3 now, so you'll get a line, straight line, which is parallel to the y-axis. This is the graph of x equal to 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Example, here is actually what? X is 8. Okay, here 7, then here is 8. If x equal to 8 is given to you, and if you're asked to draw the graph of x equal to 8 on the Cartesian plane, what happened? How will you get? You'll get a straight line passing through this 8, and what happened, this line will be parallel to the y axis, and this is the graph of x equal to 8. If I give you here x equal to minus 2, then what happened, how will you get here minus 2? So this is the graph of x equal to minus 2. Similarly, if it is given in terms of y, when we give you y equal to 4, how will be the equation, how will be the line, sorry, 1 2 3 4 here. This is the graph of y equal to what, 4, and this line, the red one, will be parallel to the x-axis. So when y is 3, it will be here, and this is what, y equal to what, 3, and this line will be parallel to the x-axis. So now we have seen here very clearly, when it is given in terms of x, the line will be parallel to the y-axis, and if it is given in terms of y, the lines will be parallel to the x-axis. Now we'll move to the exercise. We have 4.4. Question number 1. Give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation. Okay. Question number 1. What happened here? You have been given an equation. What is that? Y equal to what? 3. This is an equation. Okay. So give the geometric representation. That means draw the graph. Graphical representation of y equal to 3 in one variable and in two variable. The first question is in one variable. The second question is in what? Two variables. Okay. First I'll do for round figure 1, that means in one variable. For the one variable, what happened? You'll just draw a line, number line, okay? And I'll write here 0, I'll write here 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I have leveled the numbers. Okay, y is what? 3. 3 means positive 3. Yeah, this is what? Y equal to 3. For the second question in two variables, let's move to the graph paper. Okay, yeah, we have the graph paper now. Here actually y is 3. Okay, normally what happened, you have to level 1 to 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. I'll just write up to 4 only. 1 2 3 4. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, then here 5. Then we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You please level it. Okay, so here what is that? Y is 3. Y is what? 3. This one is given to us. Y equal to 3 means, okay, along the y-axis, where is 3 actually? This is what? 3. Now we have to draw a line passing through this point, which I spotted with the red color. And when we draw, what happened? That particular line should be parallel to the x-axis. We'll draw in this way. This is what? Y equal to 3. This line represents what? The equation y equal to what? 3. Okay, so don't forget, you have to write the scale. So along the x-axis, so what you have to write? The same like before only. So don't get confused when I just say y equal to 3. I told you before, this can be expressed as what? Y equal to what? 3 plus 0 x. Okay, so this is actually equal to what? This only. So I write here directly y equal to 3. This is how you have to draw. Okay, now let me explain about question number 3. This is for what? Question number 3. Here the question tells, draw a square. You have to draw a square whose sides are. So what happened now? In case of the square, we have 4 sides. Yeah, we have 4 sides. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and these 4 sides are represented by, according to the question, x equal to 5, x equal to minus 5, y equal to 5, then y equal to what? Minus 5. Okay, let's see now how are we going to draw. Normally you have to level 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to level it, but 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, this is actually 5. So like that, what you have to do, you have to even level minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. This is actually what? Minus 5. So don't forget, you have to write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Like that, even you have to write here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. You have to write everything. So along the y-axis we have to level 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, this is what? Minus 5, minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we have leveled the numbers. What will be the equation of x equal to 5? Here x is what? 5. So now you look at the x-axis. Where is x, or where is 5? 5 means this point. Okay, now I have to draw a line which passes to this point, which I spotted with the red now. Yeah, this one. Okay, then what shall we do then? And after that, what happened? We have to draw a line which is again parallel to the y-axis, like this. Yeah, this line represents x equal to 5. X equal to what? 5. Okay, next we have x equal to minus 5. So where is minus 5? Along the x-axis. I'll just change the color. Yeah, this is minus 5. Now we have to draw a line which passes to this. Sorry, I should draw from here. Yeah, this line is what? This is x equal to minus 5. Okay, then we have next y equal to 5. So along the y-axis, where is 5? 1 2 3 4 5. Here we have to draw. Okay, this line is what? Y equal to 5. Now we have at the last y equal to minus 5. This here is minus 5. So you have to draw in this way. Then what is this? This is what? Y equal to minus 5. Now I have seen a square here. This is the one that we get. Okay, I'll change the color once again. Let me draw with the green. When the lines intersect, I have got here one square. This is what the question wants from you. So don't forget, you have to write the scale. Same as before only. Along the x-axis and y-axis, what you have to write, you please write definitely. Okay, here when I draw the line, what happened? It has cut x equal to 5. So don't forget, nothing wrong. You can write here x equal to 5 properly. Okay, so this is how we have to draw this, and it comes to the end of the chapter. Thank you so much.